You know that feeling, right? You set a goal, you're fired up, full of energy. You tell yourself, this time it's going to be different. And for a few days it is. That was Adam's story. Adam was like anyone else. He wanted to change. He woke up early, hit the gym, opened his books, even mapped out a side hustle. He felt unstoppable until the fire faded. One morning the bed felt warmer than progress. Netflix sounded more relaxing than discipline. And before he knew it, he was right back where he started. Frustrated, disappointed, whispering to himself, "Why can't I just stick to it?" But Adam had a friend, John. John wasn't flashy. No vision boards on the wall, no motivational quotes taped to the mirror, no hype music blasting every morning. Most days John didn't even feel like doing the work. But he did it anyway. Tired or not, inspired or not, ordinary day or not, John showed up. Quietly, repeatedly, relentlessly. And months later, while Adam was still waiting for the right mood, John was progressing, step by step, win by win. Not because he was stronger, not because he was smarter, but because he had learned a simple truth. Motivation is a myth. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline, that's built. That S forged when you force yourself to do the hard thing, especially when you don't feel like it. Adam eventually asked John, "How do you do it? How do you keep going when you don't want to?" John smiled and said, "I don't ask how I feel. I ask, what would the disciplined version of me do right now?" That one question changed everything. When Adam hesitated, John showed him the 5-second rule. Count down 5. For 3, 2, 1, and move. Before your brain invents excuses, you act. Adam tried it, and it worked. Slowly he felt himself taking back control. But John had one more lesson. He told Adam, "Every time you choose comfort, remember, you're choosing hidden pain. The pain of regret, of wasted time, of being stuck. But when you choose the harder path, that pain transforms into pride, strength, and freedom." So Adam stopped chasing huge, perfect leaps. He started with micro wins. 1 paragraph written, 1 push-up. Just 10 minutes of studying. He discovered momentum creates motivation, not the other way around. Of course, he stumbled. We all do. But instead of tearing himself down, he remembered John's words. Be your own coach, not your critic. Talk to yourself the way a good coach would. Fall once, get up twice. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. And one night, John gave Adam a final challenge. Imagine your deathbed. Imagine looking back. Do you want to remember excuses or discipline? Comfort or the life you could have lived? Because when that day comes, you won't care how tired you were. You'll care if you lived fully. That night, Adam made a choice. Not to wait for motivation, not to hope for the right moment, but to force himself into action again and again until discipline became who he was. So the next time you don't feel like it, remember Adam and John. Ask yourself, am I waiting for the mood, or am I becoming the kind of person who does it anyway? Because you're not weak, you're not lazy, you're one decision away from greatness, and the disciplined version of you, he's already waiting.